small part of town. It's very quiet. Oh, there it is. Fourninetine Bakery. Alright, thank you. Thank you, you too. I just got back from Looproom Coffee and Fourninetine Bakery. So I ordered a couple of things. First up, I'm gonna try the original croffle. Very sweet. This is Fourninetine Bakery's bestseller. It's a red bean croissant with 2 slabs of butter in it. You don't really taste so much red bean, but it is an aftertaste. So if you don't really like it, it's fine, but super good, man. Coffee review. Actually, I've already tasted the coffee. It's very good. I think the best latte I've had here in Taipei so far. Are you ready for Hualien?
Yeah.
Where's the station? Downside. Platform
4.
Platform 4?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. We just got off the train from Taipei Main Station. It's time to go to our next hotel, which is in town. Oh my days, I'm cold. I'm kind of freezing.
What's the place called again?
Together Hotel.
你们是哪里人？
马来西亚。
马来西亚。那个闽南语也听得懂，会讲，会听得懂，
听得懂，会讲。
对。This is Hualien. Straight ahead is the beach. Market's kind of around there. Our hotel's back there. Are those seashells? Those are seashells.
How did you get
Who
there?
knew? Wow, how did you get there?
Okay, sure.
Sorry guys, that was kind of lame. Sit on it. I'll spin you. Look at that. Well, it's not really a beach, more like the washed up shore. Thoughts?
You can go there.
You could, but you'll probably die. What's up? What's up, What's up? What's up? We in Hualien. It's 5. It's supposed to be sunset right now.
508.
Is there any sun weekend?
Somewhere.
We're on a piece of driftwood log right now, and we're gonna push each other off by playing hand sumo. The rule is that you can only push each other with your hands.
Yeah.
I win! Okay, again. I want to accept that this. I win! I win! Okay, last round.
I know the terrain advantage now.
You're kind of lame. I got it.
Alright, let's go!
Whoa!
Where's my hand? There it is.
Are you ready? Ready? 1, 2.
It's kind of lame from distance. Like really lame. Alright, you ready? Careful.
Oh my days. Whoa. Oh no. Yeah, it's very empty. But you know, on the bright side, the whole market is for ourselves. What did we get?
No idea.
I actually no idea. It just looks good, right?
Yeah. My pretty sure it's just 8.
Okay, here to try.
It's just 8, but it's like I don't know what the hell he did.
It's really good.
Alright, a bit too good.
I think there's a bit of a sweet sauce inside.
Really? Like fried pepper.
Yeah, there's some sweet sauce. I don't know what it is. But it's really good. I got sausages. Wow, it's different. It's very peppery, and I think it's their local homegrown pepper. It's very good. The pepper is very different.
I think pepper is like what's the word? Too minty? Is that the word?
It's definitely very strong lah.
Yeah.
It's not normal pepper lah.
That's why I was like when I took the first like taste right, I was like,
It's very different pepper lah. You either like it or you don't like it lah. You like it? You don't. I like it. It's really good. Hua bao.
挂包，挂包。
Can't resist myself with some boba. I ordered this. You can order this.
你刚才烤肉了？
I got my boba. We just finished with the night market, and honestly, it was alright.
Alright.
Actually, it was alright. I think the aboriginal food did not disappoint. I think the sausage was good, but the scallion pancakes, oh my days.
And I'm not even sure if that aboriginal or is it just good Taiwan.
I think it was just good, man. It was just good. All around good food, man.